The title of the resolution we will now consider is on recognizing opioid addiction as a health epidemic, ensuring access to treatment and pharmaceutical corporate responsibility, and was submitted by the Council for Health and Human Services Ministry.
In December, my father succumbed to cancer that had spread to his bones. Without opioid treatment, his last days would have been spent in unendurable pain. This experience validates one truth: opioid treatment is necessary and humane for end-of-life care and for certain chronic conditions. However, so many of us have stories of loved ones who have almost lost everything after becoming addicted to prescription opioids, having been prescribed an opioid for a tweaked muscle or a bulging disc. Grief, fear, distrust, and anger rule when a family member or friend is in the throes of opioid addiction. People of faith, churches across this country, states' medical infrastructure, and even our national life expectancy are being negatively impacted by opioid addiction. In recommending this resolution, we seek a clear statement that the opioid epidemic is an affront to Americans that could have been avoided and shall not be repeated. We invite congregations and UCC members to become involved in reducing the stigma and becoming involved in activism on this issue. This resolution supports the efforts of the UCC in combating these injustices and wishes God's mercy and love to those affected by opioid addiction. Thank you.
The resolution has passed, as you see by the numbers on the screen. The title of the resolution we will now consider is Nehemiah's Life, a call for congressional hearings on violence in America, and was submitted by Chicago Metropolitan Association, Fox Valley Association, and the Illinois Conference.
This resolution came out of our pastoral care for Reverend Anthony Williams, pastor of First Congregational Church of Berwyn, Illinois, located just west of Chicago. Soon after we met Reverend Williams, he was shocked and devastated to learn that his 35-year-old son, Nehemiah, had been shot dead in the town of Burnham, Illinois, a southern suburb of Chicago. Our local UCC churches grieved with Reverend Williams. We helped with funeral arrangements, and we offered him our hugs, our tears, our presence, and our consolation for his terrible and sustaining loss. 3 weeks after Nehemiah's passing, Reverend Williams discussed with us his belief, formed over years of study, that only congressional hearings on the subject of civilian violence in America will be able to bring enough attention to the epidemic of violence in our country that meaningful changes in our society can be identified and undertaken to alleviate the effects of violence on the American people. We must name the demon that is strangling our country, and we must wrestle with it nationally. I respectfully and enthusiastically ask for the adoption of this resolution. God bless you, and God keep you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bill. As you can see, the motion passes. Thank you.
Thank you.